So I want to make a reservation for a family. They are traveling from Nigeria to Edmonton, Canada. So I want to make a reservation for them. They want a spacious house because they are a, a, a mom and a dad and three kids plus a pet. So they want something spacious. So I think this house will suit their needs. So all I have to do is to scroll down and see what the house looks like, the host, and if it's suitable for my client. Pet friendly, it sleeps back. So I think this is a good suit for my clients and it's within their budget. These are what this place offers: kitchen, dedicated workspace, pets allowed, free washer, bathtub. So this is a good place for my clients and they're staying for 6 nights. So I want to book a 6 nights for them. But I can't do that without getting their consent. So I need to make sure my client is satisfied. So all I have to do is to copy this link and send it to them for me to be sure of what they want. So to be sure that this link is active, let me come here and paste it so that you see. You see? So it's bringing me here again to show that this link is truly active. So all I need my clients to do is to tell me they're satisfied and I'm good to go.